make sure they're happy and healthy and do what they're meant to do with sheep. My name's Romy Shell. My husband Ryan and I farm here at Circle R Livestock. We have about 300 ewes, and we produce about 500 to 600 lambs per year right now. We house the sheep indoor in the barns year round. Yeah, if I wouldn't want to sit in it, I don't want my sheep to sit in it. And we feed them a mixture of forages, of haylage, corn silage, and grains. And all of our lambs go either for breeding stock for other producers, and the remainder then go as market meat lambs. The number one goal for us is to keep the animals happy, because if the animals aren't happy and healthy, then they're not helping us be productive as farmers. Nutrition's the biggest thing. I mean, if we can have a healthy sheep, then they have lambs, they make healthy lambs, the lambs grow as fast as they're supposed to and all of that stuff. So we're testing all of our feed for nutrients, so protein, starches, carbohydrates, energy, vitamins, minerals, all of that. And then we have a nutritionist, so he'll balance all the rations. So we have different rations based on whether they have lambs, whether they're breeding, whether they're just pregnant, or whether they're a growing lamb. So all of those different rations are balanced based on the feeds we have. So that makes a huge difference in the health of the animals. And we find we've really good success as far as feeding our animals. And it's all that comes down to that balance. So the nutritionist will get a copy of all the different feed samples, and then he'll literally put together the ration for the sheep. So in the end, he's making that complete meal for that sheep based on what that sheep's going through to maintain their health and then to maintain their production as well.